Hello and welcome to SBC Retro Tech Repair. And today I want to show you how to repair a completely dead CFL bulb. One of those. Yeah, and when I say completely dead, I mean one with a broken filament. So, first of all, let's just take this one. This was the one I used in the video where I showed you how to measure them and how to open them. So I think it's just fair to also use it here and show you how to repair it. But first of all, let me just screw it in and show you that it actually doesn't work. So let's close it a bit and screw it up. And now let's switch it on and nothing. But the test light is burning, so there is power, but there is no light, so that means it's dead. So let's unscrew it and continue with our little repair job here. So the next step is to remove one of those little wires. They are not too easy to pull out with some big fingers, but yeah. Now, okay, I have it. So I loosen one of them here, and now I'm taking this wire and wrapping it around the post next to it. Just like this. Yeah, perfect. The next step, the most important one, and the only thing we need for it, is a 1 ohm resistor. Now I take this resistor and I will not solder it in here, that's the easy way, but yeah, not everyone has a soldering iron, and I want this to be a hack for everyone. So I'm just wrapping it around the leads, that's totally fine. It's a bit more fiddly, but it works. Yeah, what I'm doing now is I'm wrapping it around the leads and shorting them, so to say, together. So, first lead and the second lead, that's the one where we removed the wire. So let's try to. It's not so easy if you're behind the camera, but anyways, yeah, okay. Let's focus on it, and now I think you can see what I did. Here are both wires now attached, and the resistor connects those two leads. Pretty simple, right? So that's something everyone can do. And now let's close it just a bit. I will close it better later, but that's enough for now. And now let's do the fun part. That's the part where you see smoke if I did something wrong. And if I did everything right, you will see light. So let's screw it in, and a bit more of the camera. Okay. So yeah, success! Isn't that beautiful? This thing was e-based. It was, well, on the way to the next landfill. I mean, now it's working again. Great, right? And yeah, those things, they are nasty e-based. They are filled, at least the old ones, are filled with mercury vapor. So yeah, nothing you wanna have in your environment. So repairing them, it's a good thing, and yeah, of course, cost effective. Spoken. Buying one of those, it's not a problem today. But keep in mind, LEDs are also not cheap. And the most important thing, some of those bulbs, they are used in special applications like UV lights or film studio lighting, and those can still be very expensive, so repairing them is not a bad idea. And like I mentioned, it's not about the money, it's about the environment and the reduction of e-waste. So, if you haven't tried this video, and well, if you have any questions, write them down in the comments. And yeah, if you liked it and if it was helpful to you, consider subscribing and share it with your friends or family, and leave me a thumbs up. Till next time, see you later.